You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? What is the meaning of 3 I's or 3 bars as a Roman numeral? Is that a date? Is that a number? Let's find out together. If you want to learn more about Roman numerals, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. This represents the number 3. This is also year 3 in a calendar as a date. The meaning of 3 I's is 3. Every I represents 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.